Have you gone to a great restaurant and gotten sick after dining out? Have you seen the restaurant cook cough into his hand, wipe his nose, or scratch his head? Seen the waiter handle a dirty rag and then touch your bread or salad? Ever been served food not cooked, not fresh, or contaminated? As an ER doctor for nearly 30 years, I saw patients get sick and die from food poisoning. I am Dr. Steuven, and I created dininggrades.com. Welcome to our kitchen. And we're not a fine restaurant, but the concepts apply equally. Imagine that you're in a fine restaurant, though, and we're preparing lunch for our guests that are coming later today. Now, the FDA food code says that you should wash your hands thoroughly for 15 seconds and use soap, and then dry your hands on a very clean towel. Finally, be sure to grab a clean rag that you can use to wipe your prep surfaces. It's very important to start with a clean prep surface using our clean rag from the sink, and then we can start making ourselves some hamburger. And we'll start setting the plates, and now we're ready to start making the salad. Now, the FDA recommends that we should clean our prep surfaces in between food groups. We're going to start cutting up our salad. All right, let's get our salad ready for our guests. Oh, shoot. Hello? Wear gloves. I'm supposed to wear gloves when I cook food? Well, I guess I can wear gloves. The FDA recommends that you wear gloves to reduce contamination. Now, a lot of states have modified that by saying that people should wash their hands every 15 minutes. You know, the thing about gloves is they can get dirty too, but I still think they're better than no gloves at all. So, at any rate, let's see how our hamburger's doing here. That looks pretty darn good to me. Now, you know, the FDA recommends you use a food thermometer, but, oh heck, you know, the hamburger looks pretty brown to me. Why don't we just serve it the way it is and get on with it for our guests. Alrighty. That's good. Let's see. Alright, let's get some drinks ready. Now, the FDA says you should really not use your hands or the cup to scoop out any ice, because your hands can contaminate the ice and the cup can contaminate the ice. But then they also say you really shouldn't store any drinks in there either. Why don't I just set the table here? We'll pour a little water for our guests, and we'll set the table. You have a good drive up here?
Good.
Very good.
Very pretty, the snow and the clouds. Winter, it's very pretty drive.
Very good. Well, you know, I'm glad we were able to get your lunch ready for you, so when you arrived, it's all set.
Well, we appreciate it.
We got a couple of hamburgers, and here's some mustard. And now, would you like some lime for your drink, Sarah?
Oh, sure.
Please.
Okay. Got you a nice hamburger here.
Oh,
Here's
good.
the biggest one for you, Mark.
Thank you.
All right, and then for you,
Oh,
Marcel.
thanks.
All right. How's that look there?
It's a little pink.
Mine's
Okay, well, it'll be good. I mean, I cooked it pretty well. Here, you want a little bit more water?
Ketchup.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. All right. Enjoy.
Thank you.
3,000 people die annually from food poisoning. 128,000 are admitted to the hospital, and 48 million get sick at a cost of billions of dollars per year. Sadly, 44% of food poisoning events are from restaurants. And unfortunately, 66% of restaurant inspections fail on a critical item. It is an epidemic.